Today's fires are next level. Dirty gear isn't a badge of honor, it's a potential health danger. Harmful chemicals remain in gear and can be absorbed through the skin. RedZone CO2 Clean's advanced technology removes 98% of today's most dangerous chemicals without using any harsh cleaning agents, saving cost, resources, and gear. A closed-loop proprietary system circulates liquid CO2 through a filter at high pressure, so liquid CO2 stays clean, removing most contaminants and capturing them in a drum for proper disposal. Hoods, coats, pants, DRDs, gloves, boots, any brand, any model. RedZone CO2 Clean protects firefighters, reduces waste, lowers costs, extends gear life.